you guys love looking at me. Like looking at me. It's okay. It's okay. And I don't mind, you see. I don't mind us having this conversation, you see. You are touching it too much. Why? This, no. Leave it alone. I think that I left my English outside, you know. Yeah, but anyways, it's cool, guys. It's cool. Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Melanin Princess over here. I know it's been such a long time, guys, but I'm here, man. You don't gotta stress about that. I want to just say welcome to my returning subscribers, to my new subscribers. Hello, what's up? Do the most, you know what I mean. Subscribe, like, share, comment, join the family. I mean, why not? Well, in today's video I am going to be giving you guys 5 major reasons why your hair is not or might not be growing. Okay. You know, lots of people have been asking me about my hair and all. I am gonna still make a hair journey video. I know I've promised it so many times, but then I'm gonna have that, you know, soon. I'm gonna have that soon, so don't stress about that because it's gonna come. Okay, so I'm just giving you 5 major reasons why your hair might not be growing. Most of these reasons, a few of them I don't think I've heard them before, but most of them I feel are like detrimental to your hair growth, which is why I am making this video. Okay. Okay, so the very first reason why your hair is not or might not be growing is is that you have an impossible goal. So basically what I'm saying is that, you know, you set for yourself something that you're not able to reach, you know. So if you tell yourself that maybe your hair is like literally 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters, but at the end of the year you want your hair to be 60 centimeters, how is that gonna happen from here to here, like to here? Like, oh my goodness, how is that gonna happen? So when you have an impossible goal, like when you set an impossible goal, it's really gonna also upset you, because at the same time you're not going to be able to reach that goal. It's basically like you don't have a goal, you know. So you are going to be doing as much as you can. You're not even going to have much love for your hair, because at the end of the day you're not going to reach that goal, because that is not possible. It's not possible ever for that to happen, for your hair to grow so fast in a year. Like, no, it's not possible. So it is important for you like to set something realistic. You know, if you have something realistic, you're able to work towards it. Unlike when you have something unrealistic, you're not able to work towards it, because you need certain steps to get to a certain goal. So how are you gonna get to an impossible goal? You know, how are you gonna get to a destination that is not there? The second reason why your hair is not or might not be growing is that you are looking up to the wrong person. Like, you have the wrong influencer, you know. You're looking up to the wrong people. Yeah, you're looking up to the wrong people. So I think an influencer has like a great influence on your hair, how much you love your hair and all of that, because at the end of the day you're looking towards these people, you're looking up to them for tips. How did they get there and what are they doing? So if you're looking up to the wrong influencer, then it's just gonna cause you to not have much love for your hair. Like, I can give an example of myself, like a few years back, probably 1 or 2 years back, where I was following like so many influencers. Their hair was like super long, and every time like I would loosen my hair and I didn't have much love for my hair, because in my mind I had this picture of these people with long hair, the texture and all of that. So now when I saw my hair, it just, you know, it was very upsetting. So I ended up not looking up to them anymore, and then looked for influencers that were closer to my hair, to my hair length and all of that, so that I can like grow with them and find out what they are doing, you know. So yeah, it goes hand in hand with setting a goal that you can reach, you know. So it was basically like me having an impossible goal, because these people had extremely long hair, and I also wanted to have extremely long hair in the first time when I started my natural hair journey. So that's why it is important for you guys to like find the right influencer that is closest to your hair, like your hair journey, that is closest to your hair journey. The person at least should be just a bit further, so you can get to know how they got there, not for them to be like extremely far and now you're taking their tips, you know. Yeah, because a person with much longer hair does not have the same regimen, the same like routine as a person with shorter hair, because I don't do the same things I used to do when my hair was this short, you see. So yeah, that's why it's like really important for you to have like the right influence. Okay, the third reason is your influencer's hair type. Your influencer's hair type is like something that is very important. You cannot be following someone who does not have the same, close to the same hair type as yours, because the things are not going to work on your hair. Their tips are not going to work for you. You're just going to struggle with your hair journey, because basically you guys don't have the same hair. So I'm following people who have the same hair, similar hair as mine, because at first like I was just following random tips, and those random tips honestly did not work because we don't have the same hair type. Which is why it's important that you look at the factors. You look at such factors like what hair type does your influencer have. If your influencer has 4A hair and you have 4C hair, you cannot do the same things, you see. You can't do the same things. So the fourth reason why your hair is not or might not be growing is that you don't spend enough time with your hair. You're not spending enough time with your hair. I mean, if you don't spend enough time with your hair, how are you gonna know your hair? So basically you don't know your hair, you know. You don't know your hair. How are you gonna know your hair if you don't spend time with your hair? Like you need to, like on wash day, take time to find out how is my hair growth. How are you gonna track progress if you don't spend time with your hair? I mean, I don't think I need to explain that further. So the fifth reason why your hair is not or might not be growing is that you're not doing the correct protective styles. That is because of reason number 4. You don't know your hair, you know, because you don't spend time with your hair. So how are you going to know what protective styles to do? Honestly, I know. I spend lots of time with my hair. I know the protective styles that I'm supposed to do, protective styles I'm not supposed to do, because some of them can be protective to you, but to me they're not, you know. I feel like styles like twists, like yeah, twist for me, I don't see them much as a protective style for me, because I don't know, like it's much harder for me to detangle my hair after twisting it than compared to when I'm braiding it or anything like that. So yeah, that's why it's important for you to spend time with your hair, you know. These are like literally simple reasons why your hair is not or might not be growing, you know. And the thing with hair is that hair is forever growing, you see. The only thing is that are you maintaining the length that is growing at, you know. It's called, what's this, retaining your hair length, you see. So your hair might be growing maybe 2 centimeters, right? So it's what you are doing that is gonna keep that 2 centimeters, like to make sure it doesn't fall off, because sometimes you find that your hair is breaking off at the same rate that it's growing. So basically it's not that it's not growing, it's just that you're not maintaining it, you see. So that's why it's important for you, like, to, you know, to update your schedule, to check your hair, check where your hair is at, because your hair at first might like a certain style and at another stage it doesn't like that style anymore. That's the same with me. And the sixth bonus reason why your hair is not growing, because you're trying too many things. Why are you trying so many things? Why are you trying so many things? I'm like really confused, like why? I get that you want your hair to grow, but then when you try too many things, how are you gonna know what is working for your hair? You see? Yeah, you're not gonna know what is working for you. And look, let's get to number 7, because I'm already sliding into another one right now, you see. So you're using so many products, name. How are you gonna know what works for you? 7th You don't know what works for your hair. You don't know what products work for your hair because you don't spend time with your hair. You see, everything goes back to you knowing your hair. You know, today I think that I left my English outside, you know. Yeah, but anyways, it's cool, guys. It's cool. But hey, what's with these reasons? They're just coming. I don't think that you should stress too much, you know, because sometimes you look up to an influencer and next thing you're stressing so much and now your hair is not growing. You know, stress is one thing that can cause hair thinning. It can cause hair breakage. You know, I've seen so many people lose so much hair just because of stress. Like, stress is one thing that, you know, people will ask you, did you trim your hair? Did you go to the barber or something? But no, it was stress. It was just stress. So don't stress your hair out. Just be happy, you know, give your hair positive vibes, and it is gonna grow. You see, it is gonna grow. In fact, yeah, so today is actually wash day, so I decided to make this video. Now I want to go wash my hair and then I'm gonna put it in a protective style. Yeah, guys, there's so many other reasons why your hair might not be growing. Another reason is that you are touching your hair too much. You are touching it too much. Why? This no, don't touch your hair too much. Like, yo, this thing, man, yo, hi. You know, every time, you know, you're touching your hair, at least just massage it, you know, massage your hair. But if you're not massaging your hair, don't touch it, because every time you touch it, you're literally pulling off strands of your hair, you see. So I suggest that you don't just fiddle with your hair, you know, leave it alone and it's gonna grow. You know, when I say leave it alone, I don't mean like leave it alone like forever, but touch it when it's necessary, you see. Yes, I am gonna make a part 2 because there are so many reasons, just that I don't want to make this video long, because it's really long, you know, because I know you guys love looking at me. It's okay, and I don't mind, you see. I don't mind us having this conversation, you see. Anyways, guys, enjoy your day, enjoy your, you know, whatever you're enjoying, you know, just go and enjoy it. But do come back to this channel because I'm gonna be dropping content. I'm gonna be dropping lots of content, not only hair wise, but then I'm also going to be dropping business wise content, because guys, I'm a business related person, you know. So I'm going to be dropping some tips here and there, so you got to be here for you to receive. How can you receive if you are not here? You know, this is the place to be. So goodbye, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have not subscribed, why haven't you subscribed? I mean, click wherever that clicky thing is, just click and watch that video, this video, whichever video is gonna pop up. Watch it, because you know, just watch the video. Goodbye. Anyways, no, it's fine now. My water's getting cold. Let me go wash my hair.